Hello and welcome to the Virtualab of Work4Progress, a social network that will allow you to share information and knowledge with other members of the program. In the next few minutes, I will show you how easy it is to use it. This is the welcome page of Work4Progress. Here you will find all the latest news and updates about Work4Progress. To access the Virtualab, let's click on the Login button on the top right side of the page. Fill your username or email address and your password and log in. You are now logged in the Virtualab portal with your account. First, I will show you how to create content, such as documents and prototypes. Afterwards, we can see how to look for information created by other users that might be helpful for you. Before we start filling out the form, I want to point out an important concept. It is not mandatory to fill out all the fields in a prototype or a document at the same time. You can do it in several days or different sessions. For instance, it could be easier to fill out the basic information of a prototype and add the cover image first, and then move on with all the complete financial details in a second time.